In this topic, I will explain you features of management. Features of management are continuous process, group activity, getting things done through the people, follows established principles or rules, art and science, universal, intangible, dynamic, different styles, situational. These are the features of management. I will explain you one by one. Continuous process. Management is a continuous process. There are four main functions of management: planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Management has to plan, he has to organize all the resources regarding the business, he has to direct the business, he has to control the business, he has to give proper direction to the subordinates, he has to control all the activities regarding the business. He has to perform these functions continuously. Hence, management is a continuous process. It's never ending process. Next, group activity. Management is not individual activity. It's a group activity. Most of the activities are performed in a group, and the success of organization depends upon the performance and the coordination amongst the all departments or the group. Next, getting things done through the people. Management is the art of getting things work done with the help of the people. It depends on quality of manager. Next, follows established principles or rules. Management has to follow established principles of business, such as division of work. He has to decentralize work, discipline. He has to maintain the discipline in the organization, unity of command. He has to give direction to the subordinate, etc. These principles help in adopting a scientific and professional approach in the organization, and this leads to efficient functioning of the organization. Next, art and science. Management is art as well as science. How is it art and how is it science? First of all, how is it art? Management has different skills like conceptual skills, human skills, technical skills, etc. These are the skills required to get the work done. And how is it science? Management has to conduct continuous research. He has to find out something new ideas, something new concept. That's why it is a science. Next, universal. Management is a universal in nature. It is essential for all types of organization. It may be trading concern, it may be non-trading concern, it may be commercial concern, it may be social concern, it may be educational concern, charitable concern. All types of organizations has required management, whether it is small organization or large organization. Everywhere management is required. Next, management is intangible in nature. It cannot be seen or touched. It is experienced by result. Next, dynamic. Management is dynamic in nature. It is always creative and innovative management. The management has to continuously brings new ideas, new product. He has to find out new ideas, new products in the organization. He has to make new plan. He has to organize all the resources. So it's a continuous process and it's a dynamic in nature. Differs in degree at different level. There are three levels of management: top level management, middle level management, lower level management. Each level of management requires different degree of management, different styles. There are different styles of management: autocratic style, bureaucratic styles, and many more. Situational management is a situational in nature. He has to make plan, he has to make policies, he has to take decision according to situation. And this style of management changes according to the situation. So these are the features of management. Thank you.